We maybe collaborate and have ongoing summer workshops where people come in and we can together. We teach people how to can. I don't know how to can myself, but we're gonna learn.
Food is a scarce resource, and so learning how to get every last bit of those resources and make sure that they go to good use instead of into the dumpster will help feed more people, and it's just one solution for our food insecurity issue. What I have seen over the past almost 9 months is in SNAP cuts. It's scary. People are scared. People don't know where their next meal is going to come from.
Survival is on the forefront of their mind every day, and so us being here in community and working together is just practice of mutual aid that we can all benefit from.
For me, it's not what we're canning, it's just the fact that we're doing it together.